Hello, welcome to Finance 101. On today's episode on Road to 10K, and this is episode number 11. On this episode, we're just going to do a quick update of Road to 10K, how far we've come, and where we are right now. So as you can see, the total amount we have in the account right now is $6,189.10. As you can see down here, it said on the past month, we are up $326.22. All thanks to mostly Nvidia. Where's Nvidia? Right here. Okay, so if you go into Nvidia right now, as you can see over here, we are up on Nvidia 35.67%. That's really good considering we got Nvidia not long ago and only owned 3 shares from Nvidia and can still be up $239.70. And also, if you can see over here, $4.16, where that come from? That came from dividend from Bristol and Myers. Even though we are down 7% on Bristol and Myers, down $15 on Bristol and Myers, we still getting the dividend in. So basically, we are getting paid while we wait for the stock to go up. And the other part of the dividend that also came in was DIV. DIV, as I always say, I just hold on to DIV mostly for the dividend. And like I said, I'm going to keep adding more to it because this stock kind of stays the same or it goes up a little bit. It doesn't really go down. See if you can see here, we're up 5.05%. If you go in, let's see what is happening in there. So the past day it went up a little bit. It's been going up, but then the price we got it from, so it went up just a little bit, not that much, but again, we kind of holding on to this just for the dividend alone. So on our average price is $2.75, and it's up a little bit. So I guess it's all time. We are up 6.82%. That's not bad for stock. I'm just holding on to it just for the dividend. So that is really good. And other than that, is I did not deposit any money into the portfolio this week just because I'm trying to look around to see where the market is going and what to buy next. But having said that, I've been really looking at Apple been dropping a little bit, so I might be putting more Apple, be purchasing more Apple very soon. And also, another stock that's really doing good is Ford. So I think a couple of days ago it went past $20 point, and that's really good because I think I got Apple around $11, and I've been pounding the table for people to be buying Apple. But at the same time, I don't have that much shares of Apple. Sorry, that much shares of Ford. Sorry about Apple. I've been saying Apple the whole time, but I'm talking about Ford models. I don't have that much shares of Ford. That I only have 22 shares, but I've been pounding the table on Ford for people to buy, and I haven't really been buying that much Ford. So what I need to be doing is loading up on Ford because if you're looking at the EV sector right now, Tesla, everybody knows is number one, and everybody else playing catch up. But after Tesla, to me, Ford is next in line because they've been putting a lot of money in the EV sector. They're trying to keep up with Tesla, and so right now they say they're gonna come up with their pickup truck. I think next year they're coming up the electric pickup truck. They already got the Mustang now. I think they have that, and the Bronco, other ones that is already been electrified right now. But after Tesla, I think Ford is up there with the other companies, but since we got from $11, been going up a lot. As you can see, we are up 67% over here on Ford. Let me see. So I started talking about Ford when it was about $8-9, but I did not wasn't really a true believer until it got to $11. I think that's when it got to $10. That's when to get in, but I ended up getting, as you can see over here, I ended up getting in at $11. So that's another thing over here for Ford. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share the video, give it a thumbs up, And I'll see you in the next video. This is a quick update on road to 10K. We are almost there. Bye for now. Peace.